'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love.
My God, where are we, guys? We are eating Azerbaijani food. I love it. I am loving it. So it's amazing place,
It's a
guys.
lovely
मैं
day.
पागल हो गई हूँ ये जगह देख के. हेलो एवरीवन, तो आज हमारा डे 6 है बाकू में और बेसिकली आज़रबाईजान में, बिकॉज हम कटरी साइड जा रहे हैं आउट ऑफ बाकू एंड वी विल बी विजिटिंग शादाग एंड नूबा टुडे. सो इट्स रियली कोल्ड और वहाँ पर जो वेदर है वो तकरीबन टेम्परेचर 3 डिग्री है एंड वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू विजिट दिस Shadak resort, the lakes and the mountain area. So we left Baku around 9:30 a.m. and still we are on the road. It's amazing, right? Clear highways. They are sleepy. Aris is playing. Azil, what do you need? What do you need? Finally, we have reached to Shadak Mountain Resort and there are lots of activities to do and the temperature is really freezing. So we have fully packed ourselves and now we are going to roller coaster and we will take this drive. There are many more activities. It's totally green. Hi. कैसा रहा रोलर कोस्टर?
बहुत ही जबरदस्त.
शेजाद बताओ.
It was unexpected.
अनएक्सपेक्टेड. जाते हुए इतना स्लो और आते हुए इतना तेज के बस होश उड़ गए हमारे. चीखे ही चीखे थी. But it was fun. Wow, so peaceful. Shehzad. We are in the chairlift. So guys, we decided to experience the chairlift in Shadak as well, and it costed us 18 mannat per person. And there was one more chairlift. It was completely closed, but it was not working. It's under maintenance, so we tried this one. It's a different kind of chairlift. My feet are outside जन्नत था. My God, where are we, guys? Where are we? Oh my God, we just opened this mirror. Wow. Haris, look at him. Go, Nanu. Nanu,
Yes.
आपको कैसे लगी यहाँ की चेयर लिफ्ट?
बहुत अच्छी लगी. एंजॉय किया आइजिल ने नानू ने. ओ
फॉग में आ गए आप लोग. सारा वाइट वाइट.
ओ ओ ओ ऊपर ऊपर थी ओचे तो अलिया आरिस
Mountain Peak Cafe. Aris, come. No. Oh my God, what you did? Come, give me your hand. Aris, give me your hand. Aris, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Let's go.
એને મજો આવ્યો હોય તે.
He is enjoying.
હિયર આઇઝિલ કેસા વેંદી
Aizil, mama, papa, सालंदी नहीं है वापस.
કેસા વેંદી દરી તેલી પેરી દે નાનુ સા વેંદી મમ્મા સા
Mama Sane.
નાનુ સા ને
And Mama Sa.
नानू कैंसिल थी भाई.
ओके माने हिकिड़ो असांखे ख़ुशि कई तव्हांखे ख़ुशि कई.
Aizil, Aris,
Da.
what are you guys doing?
Nasi Paludan.
This time, Aizil is coming with us. Yes. She's little scary.
We are in clouds.
पे रेट करो ना.
No.
Look at the clouds, Aizil. Because Aizil is insisting, so she has closed this shutter. Okay, fine now.
Very matte that.
Open, Baba, open it, please.
Open king, open.
Are you scared?
Open king.
मजा आयो?
Yes, it was.
We are eating Azerbaijani food. I love it. I am loving it. Wow. What a lovely spot.
अच्छा, अभी हम शादाद से क्यूबा की तरफ जा रहे थे और महविश को यहाँ पर ये भेड़ें नजर आई हैं।
भेड़ों पे हमने भेड़ मार
तो
दी है। इट्स अमेजिंग प्लेस।
It's a lovely day.
पागल हो गई हूँ ये जगह देख के, और क्या वेदर है, क्या लोकेशन है। आई एम गोइंग क्रेजी। Catch me. Bye bye. Tata. Aris, Mama, huggy. Come.